Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, have you ever thought which animal has the largest heart? Yes, it's blue whale, and its heart weighs about 180 kilos. So massive. So amazing, right? So, guess what? A human could crawl through its arteries. Now, compare this with a tiny hummingbird. Okay, its heart is just the size of a grain of a rice, but it beats more than 1200 times per minute. So, different sizes, same purpose to keep the life moving. Okay, so stay curious and keep learning with me. Bye.